How to buy FAIR3 token. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional nor economic expert, so before investing in any project that you under my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on by this token, don't forget to go and check the MEXC account and keep following the updates about this token, and go and engage with their community. As you can see, they have 11,000 members there. So this token will be listed on MEXC. Now as you can see, if you check this post from MEXC account on X, you will be able to find this. As you can see, own your work, keep your words. FAIR3 is came into the gig spot. So as you can see, the deposit time it's 15. It means yesterday. Now the trading time it starts yesterday, and the withdrawal time it will be the 70 this month. So it means tomorrow. So just go to your MEXC account and fund it with some USDT to be able to buy this token before that date. So this is how to buy FAIR3 token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.